Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting, new, stunning, night photography, Aurora HDR looks. New, bird's eye, Aurora HDR looks, which have been specifically created for night photography. They will add more lighting, brightness, reduce noise, and make colors pop. To bring the magic of the night photography in your images, try our new amazing night photography Aurora HDR looks. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. If some presets are too strong for your image, you can change their opacity and find the look that fits your photo best. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive Aurora HDR collection.